Are you looking to get a dash cam? Rexing is a leading manufacturer of dash cams, known for their advanced features, high-quality video capture, and user-friendly interfaces. We know that driving on the road can be unpredictable, and accidents can happen at any moment. In today's world, having a reliable and high-quality dash cam installed in your vehicle is more important than ever. For that reason, in this video, we will bring to you the best dash cams from Rexing to fit your needs and keep you and your vehicle safe. Best one-channel dash cams. First up, for the top one-channel dash cams, we have the Rexing V14K. This dash cam captures exquisite photos and videos with its Ultra HD 4K 2160p resolution. The exposure is automatically adjusted to perform optimally in all levels of light and preserve important details. Next, we have the Rexing V55. This dash cam features dual-band Wi-Fi for high-speed file transfer and loading times. The 4K UHD resolution makes for crisp footage, and the built-in GPS logger allows you to track your car's location and speed. The V55 also has voice control, which is really cool when it comes to locking the current video or having it take a picture. Best two-channel dash cams. With a 4K UHD 2160p front camera and full HD 1080p rear camera, you will be sure to catch important details at day or night. And with a 170-degree field of view, you won't miss a thing. The V1P4K also has built-in Wi-Fi and parking mode with auto event detection. Our next pick is the Rexing V1PGW. With a built-in GPS logger and Wi-Fi, you can use the updated mobile app Rexing Connect to track your car and footage. The V1PGW also has a 4K UHD 2160p front camera, a full HD 1080p rear camera, and a 170-degree field of view. In addition, with parking mode with auto event detection, you'll have peace of mind even when you're not in your car. Our third pick is the Rexing V1P Max. With a 2K dual-channel recording at 3840 by 2160 pixels at 30 FPS, you won't miss any details. The V1P Max also has a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and an f1.6 aperture 7 elements glass lens to ensure you capture necessary details at day or night. With parking mode with time-lapse recording and auto event detection, you will also have 24-hour surveillance of your vehicle. Lastly, we have the V55 with its rear camera attachment. It boasts a 170-degree field of view, voice control, and built-in GPS. Also, this camera has dual-band Wi-Fi with upgraded 5.0 GHz for high-speed file transfer and loading times, and it supports memory cards up to 256 GB. Best dual-channel dash cams with front and cabin cameras. First up, we have the V55 with the cabin camera attachment. This premium duo includes a 4K resolution front camera and a compatible 2K resolution cabin camera. The cabin camera is great for ride-sharing drivers who often have unknown passengers in their back seat. Other features of the V55 include dual-band Wi-Fi and IR night vision. Next, we have the V3 Dash Cam. It comes with dual Real HD resolution cameras for front and cabin recording. The V3 has IR night vision, which supports the cabin camera in capturing illuminated footage of the vehicle's interior in the dark. It also offers a 170-degree field of view, built-in GPS, parking mode with auto event detection, and a memory card that supports up to 256 GB. Best 3-channel dash cams. First up in this category, we have the V2 Pro AI, our top pick for 3-channel dash cams. With all-around 1080p Real HD recording, this camera makes your time on the road safer and more enjoyable with advanced AI driving assistance. With rear and forward collision warning, clear-to-go alerts, and lane departure warnings, the V2 Pro AI upgrades your vehicle's sensory abilities without breaking the bank. Next, we have the V33, which boasts the best video quality out of most 3-channel cameras. All-around 2K 1440p resolution makes for an almost cinematic presentation with extremely crisp definition and great detail. Its sleek and thinly designed camera is easy to install and fits snugly behind your rearview mirror. In the event of an accident, the built-in G-sensor automatically locks and saves the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It also comes equipped with a parking monitor feature that ensures that your car is protected even when you're not around. by automatically recording and saving any motion or impact detected while parked. In the event of an accident, the built-in G-sensor automatically locks and saves the footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It also comes equipped with a parking monitor feature, ensures that your car is protected even when you're not around, by automatically recording and saving any motion or impact detected while parked. Our top-selling bundle is the V55, which has added an added rear and cabin camera that is a match made in heaven. Get incredible quality for the best value. This 3-channel cam captures details in extreme clarity with 4K front and 1080p rear and cabin resolution. Best 4-channel dash cam. Last but not least, in the 4-channel category, we have the R4, the only dash cam that can cover all 4 sides effortlessly and in full HD resolution. Set with 8 IR lights for advanced night vision and crystal clear cabin footage day or night. It's designed to capture your front, left, right, and rear side views as you drive. An optional CPL filter is also available to reduce glare from sunlight and street lights. No matter which Rexing dash cam you choose, you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. Whether you're a ride-sharing driver or someone who wants peace of mind while driving, Rexing has you covered with their top-quality dash cams equipped with advanced features and high-quality recording capability. Don't wait! Get your hands on these top-notch dash cams today and drive with confidence.